How to turn off standby mode on iPhone. Does your iPhone automatically show a clock, widgets, or photos when you place it sideways while charging? That feature is called standby mode. If you don't want it to appear, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off standby mode on your iPhone. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Find Standby. Now scroll down and tap on Standby. Step 3. Turn off Standby. At the top of the Standby settings page, you'll see a standby switch. Simply tap the switch to turn it off. That's it. Standby mode is now disabled. Step 4. Test it. To make sure it's turned off, connect your iPhone to a charger and place it horizontally on its side. Your iPhone should no longer automatically enter the standby interface. And that's how you can turn off standby mode on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.